Welcome to Eva Trades. I'm Josh, and this is day 10. So welcome to the simulator. Please remember that trading is risky, to always practice in a simulator before putting your strategy out there and trading real money. You don't want to risk your hard-earned money on something you haven't proven that doesn't work. And that's what I'm doing here today, is proving my strategy works on this road to $100,000. And this is Eva Trades. Welcome to the show. Speaking of the $100,000 challenge, let's take a look at the P&L here. My progress so far, I'm up $22,000 in 9 days. Here we go with day 10. So here's the gap scan. I'm in the simulator. It is August 1st, 2022. And the stocks gapping up this morning are quite a few. So on a day like this, when there are this many stocks moving, things can be a little iffy. We'll see what happens. So I picked out the ones that I thought were best: AEMD, GOVX, CYAD, TBLT down here. And I did take cold, KOLD, off of the high of day momentum scanner. And TNXP, did I cover that one? No. Yeah, TNXP, that is also off the gap scan. Take it back over here, and you can see it right here. Okay, so let's break these stocks down. We got just about 4 minutes till the market opens. So a lot going on here. When you have this many stocks moving up, it can feel a little bit overwhelming. So that might make me want to be cautious in my trading. Nice breakout over $1.50 on AEMD. Getting extended up here on the 5 minutes, so we might want to see it pull back a little. So here, finding some support on GOVX down around $4. Little move up, a little pullback, another little move up. We do have a support down there and down there. Bulls want to get over 448. Boy, just a lot to look at here, isn't there? This one made that initial move up earlier in the morning. It's pretty good volume for that early in the morning. And then consolidated, and so it's like an equilibrium on the larger time frame. We can look at the larger time frames. See at that the high up here and this low here, and it's like tightening, looking for maybe a higher low and a higher high, possibly. I don't know. That's a stretch, but it's not a limousine. So look at the pullback on the volume here on the 15-minute. The declining volume on that pullback, and now some increasing volume on this move back up. That's encouraging. So maybe we see an equilibrium here, form a lower high up here somewhere, then we pull back as the market opens. That might be a possible entry. I'll keep an eye on that. GOVX, so we'll definitely watch that. Remember, yesterday GOVX was the big winner on the day. So let's take a look over here now at TBLT. Not bad. Nice little bull flag there, bouncing off of the VWAP. Perhaps I should have had this one on my main screen. We'll see. Won't we? Yeah, I don't know about cold. KOLD. Not sure about that one yet. Finding some support there. I don't know. A lot of chopping here. Okay, well, market support level here and a resistance up there. So I'm gonna keep my eye out on GOVX. I think that's the one I want to watch first thing. There's just so much going on here that I'm gonna have to take it minute by minute. Well, as usual. EMD coming up against some resistance at around $1.64. And I wonder if there might be something on the daily at $1.64. Not really. You do have a resistance at... What'd you mark? That didn't work. Okay. Anyways. I'm bound and determined to get that thing on there. Okay. There we go. So the market's going to open in 5 seconds. I can't trade that first 1 minute. I'm going to quickly look at my stop loss parameters, make sure I have everything set the way I need them. So GOVX. I do want to see it pull back a little here, and it is pulling back. Now, is it going to give me an opportunity to get in? It's pretty early on that candle, so I don't know. We'll see. It's got some nice volume on it, too. 18 cents on that candle range. Well, this one really, excuse me, this one really dropped back, didn't it? I'm a little iffy on it right now. I'll see. Yeah, I should have waited a little bit longer, but we'll, so I'm in twice. I'm going to sell a little bit there, and I'm going to sell the rest right there. I was in high, so that's why. That's my reason for selling. And seeing this one pull back and that one kind of pulling back, I'm just going to wait a little bit longer here. I might try another attempt at it. I'm in a trade over here now. Buying that candle as it's breaking out, selling it right there. So there we go. That was a nice move. This one I bought it. Okay, you can see it. Great. I bought it as this candle was starting to surge. It was just jumping. And as it was popping up over the top, I bought it as it pulled back. I bought it twice. And then could have held it and made quite a bit more. But I made $2,100 there. I'm up $300 on the other screen, so that's well over my daily goal. Now look over here at GOVX. Now, this is where I would be getting in. That was my plan, to get in right here at that support. Declining volume on this pullback, so I would be seeing a nice bounce now and some profit. Boy, TNXP making a move also. Over here. This is exciting. We got us some momentum happening here. CYAD, of course, nothing's really going on with that. Yep, this would have been a pretty nice bounce. I don't want to say I'm done for the day, but, you know, I'll keep an eye out here. See if I see a really nice trade. I might try to take it. I'm up $2,400, so I could lose $400. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That's really nice. Oh, that's not so nice. Of course, I would have sold already. I wouldn't still be in this myself. I wonder if that's going to get halted going down. Nice bounce over here on TBLT. Nice pullback to see this area right here. So we broke out over that, pulled back on a back test to it, and popped back up. You know, that's a good 15 cents right there. If you'd gotten in here, you could have sold up here for, 15 cents of profit. See if it can TNXP break through the high here. So this one's failing now too. Could bounce momentarily off of this support, the same as we bounced momentarily off of GOVX, this support here. Looks like trying to break above $1.50 over here on a 2-bar pullback on that 15-minute time frame. If I wasn't at my daily goal, I would be punching the order right here. I'd be buying it. I would be a buyer. Okay, and then we're holding that EMA support right there on AEMD right here. So far, you might see it pull back to this line. I don't know if that line's valid. Yeah, see, we didn't really respect it very much. It came back to back test and broke below. But you could also look at the 5-minute time frame and say, well, we closed above it, so it's more of a 5-minute play anyways. So yes, that line is in play. And TBLT did end up bouncing off of this. Remember I said you could buy that there for a small bounce? I wouldn't have held it this long. I would have been out already. I like TNXP over here. Not yet. No, I wouldn't want to buy it yet. I'd be looking to play it on the 5-minute time frame. I like it so far. I'd want to see it pull back to maybe $2. You have a support right here. And a $2. So if it comes back to 2 might be a little far. It might be too much. Oh, look at AEMD now. So that's really nice. So now wishing I kind of would have bought that for the breakthrough this high. It's just almost not worth it to me to risk any more, risk giving back the profit. I've hit my daily goal. I set out each day to make a certain amount. And I could take a small risk here and try to buy this pullback. But I don't know, it might drop back more than what I'd like. Yeah, I almost did. I was just getting ready to, and then I'm not going to. I changed my mind on that. Be sure to check out some of my other trading videos. I have more of these $100,000 challenge videos. All the 9 days previous to this, I have 44 videos of a $10,000 challenge. You can certainly go check those out. I have the small account challenge where I trade live, real money, once a week. I won't be trading in that account next week. I'm taking the week off next week from that small account challenge. But there's plenty of there are plenty of videos here on the YouTube channel that you can watch me trade and learn the strategy. Just keep in mind that trading is risky, and always trade in a simulator, just like I'm doing here, before you try to put your own money on the line, because you don't want to lose your money. You work too hard for that. I don't know what, maybe you do. I've certainly lost my fair share of money trading in the market. That was years ago. So TBLT is making a pretty nice move here now. Higher low and a higher high. That's it for me. I'm up $2,400. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.